Estamos aquí con Julien Decaix de Dalet, es el General Manager para la operación de Américas. ¿Cómo estás, Julien?
Muy bien.
¿Cuáles son las novedades que Dalet trae para NAB 2022 en este año?
Las novedades son nuestras nuevas generaciones de plataformas, tanto que se llama Dalet Pyramid como Dalet Flex. Son plataformas que fueron pensadas, diseñadas para poder correr en la nube y abarcan las principales premisas, que es trabajar desde cualquier lugar, es decir, remote work, trabajar desde casa, desde la oficina, mejor colaboración entre usuarios y después poder correr de manera elástica y escalable en la nube o on-premise y ofreciendo sin ningún compromiso sobre la seguridad, es decir, ofreciendo total seguridad sobre las operaciones.
¿Y cómo está la recepción de los clientes en relación al regreso del show presencial con ustedes?
La gente está muy contenta de poder reencontrarnos. Vienen muchos con proyectos porque estos 2 años de pandemia les hicieron reflexionar sobre qué cosas tienen que cambiar, qué cosas necesitan adaptar. Y la verdad que nuestros clientes y prospectos vienen con muchos proyectos en la cabeza, con las ideas bastante claras en dónde quieren llevar sus operaciones, y estamos muy contentos porque hay un buen encajamiento entre lo que están buscando y lo que nosotros estamos ofreciendo.
¿Cómo está la expectativa con relación a negocios en América Latina y en especial en Brasil también, que es nuestro main target?
Hemos visto que las inversiones ya se retomaron después de la pandemia, que hubo un poco una bajada de esas inversiones. Hemos cerrado bastante grandes proyectos ahí en la 2022, en los primeros 3 meses, tanto en Chile, en Perú y en México. Estamos detrás de otras grandes oportunidades en la región. En Brasil también tenemos muchas oportunidades. Creo que vamos a ver buen negocio en este año, en los años que vienen, tanto en Brasil como en el resto de la región.
Dalet Flex, and this is our MAM. This is the operational interface that the majority of users will be logging into on a daily basis. It's a fully web-based UI, so nothing to download, nothing to install. You can access this from anywhere. You can be in a coffee shop or at a trade show with low bandwidth, and this will work very well. And the system is designed to be able to help you manage a tremendous amount of media assets, whether they are video files, image files, data objects, etc. So I can run searches as simple as just typing in a keyword, and the results can be returned very quickly. This can be running searches across asset titles, metadata, fields, really any aspect or any attribute of the asset itself. And then we have low bit rate proxies, so we can play back fairly easily no matter where the user is located. Getting new assets into the system is very simple. We have an upload manager. We can do watch folders as well, so if you're on a network, we can easily bring in media automatically. But I can just select a video that's on my local storage, select a particular workflow that I want to run on it. There's optionally some metadata that I can fill in at this point, and then I just upload the file. And once that file upload is complete, it's going to trigger a workflow in the Flex system that creates a record in our database of the asset, as well as creates a proxy for it. So here's our workflow that is triggered by the upload, and we can see it's already gotten to the point where it's trying to create a proxy, and we can view the real-time status of these workflows through this monitor. And here we see, all right, it's already, wrong workflow. You'll be able to see just how far it's gone in. So here we can see it's a little more than halfway through creating the proxy file itself. It's already extracted technical metadata, and once the proxy file has been generated, it'll create a waveform based on the audio. It'll extract keyframes from it, which is what it's doing right now. So if I come back to my MAM, just do a quick refresh, I'll see the file that I had just uploaded, which is this very short video with buses in the park. So I have, if I go into a more detailed look at it, I've got my waveform, I've got my video, I've got my picture, I've got metadata in here that I can select, and this will help with searching. We can have taxonomies, multiple levels deep. We can have thesaurus values in here, so I can type in a word like educational, and the system can suggest to me, here are related terms that are very similar to it. Again, this helps with the searching, so that as users are facing just a large number of data, they can still get to the work they need to perform very quickly. It really takes the busy work out of it, so Flex users can spend more time on the qualitative aspects of their jobs and really commit more value based on their position. And then we can utilize Adobe Premiere to import assets into the NLE. We can work in proxy mode, so again, if the user is at a remote location, whether it's their home or an office that doesn't have a high-speed internet connection, I can bring proxies into my editing environment, edit in them and do all my advanced video editing effects, and then I can render against the source media using an encoder that's in the cloud or on-prem, a completely different part of the country or even a different part of the world, and it'll render very quickly using the high-res media that I never had to download to my local workstation. So we're enabling users to do a lot more with a lot less, but still supporting really powerful workflows on-prem or in the cloud. And then once I have finished media, I have the ability to distribute an asset, and I can send it to OVP, I can send it to social media, I can send it for linear playout, and then I can just say go, I can track the progress of it, and then the asset is going to wind up where I need it to be, where I want it to be, so that end viewers can consume it, my company can monetize it, and Flex can keep track of everything.
Por mí, perfecto, Julien.
Bueno, y la otra plataforma es Pyramid, es para la producción de noticias, pero la idea es un poco la misma. Es una interfase web, es una interfase amigable que puede manejar toda la producción de noticias, desde la ingesta, la edición de texto, la edición de video, la pauta y la publicación a social media, a las redes sociales.
Excelente, amigo. Gracias y que tengas un buen show.
Muchas gracias a todos y hasta la próxima.
Hasta la próxima.